Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install an overview Flipkart application in your device. So you can see this is Google Play Store. If you use Android, then go to Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store and then search here on the search box, type here Flipkart. So this suggested, simply tap on that and you can see Flipkart online shopping app. So this is really amazing India's leading online shopping app. So you can see the size of the 20 megabyte only, and 4.4 rating out of 5 and 49 million reviews. It's really huge, and 500 million plus people already use this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.